Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the prerequisites and then immediately take action. First, validate the request payload. Ensure the ID, entity type, and auth token are correct and current. If not, fix them. Next, test the endpoint and DNS resolution and note any HTTP status codes returned. Also check for recent schema or permission changes that could hide entities. Once done, capture a failing sample request and its response. This gives you concrete data to drive the next troubleshooting step. Now you dive into deeper diagnostics to find why the entity is missing. Trace the full request path from client through load balancer to service and database, and log timing and headers. Query the database directly for the ID, check soft delete flags, retention windows, replication lag, and access control lists. Then compare environment configurations and feature flags between staging and production to catch inconsistent behavior. Once you identify a discrepancy, prepare a minimal reproducer. Apply the chosen remediation and then verify that the entity is resolvable. If it was a schema or permission issue, deploy the migration or ACL change. If it was missing data, perform a controlled repair or rehydrate from backups. Once applied, run end-to-end tests and sanity checks and monitor logs and metrics for side effects. Make sure to document the root cause and update runbooks. If things go wrong, check replication lag and recent ACL changes first. They are the most common hidden culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.